Hello guys, let me introduce you today desktop application development using web technology. I know there are many tools out there that allow you to build desktop application with a web technology, but at times it's not easy to set it up and running with those tools. I have tried many like Electron, which is one of the best, but at times it's not easy to set up. You find many difficulty running the command to run, to build, and so on. But here is a very nice and simple use tool that I have come across. It's called PHP Desktop. You can just go to your Google search and search for PHP Desktop and just go to this repository of this CZTOM Zach. Sorry if I cannot spell it well, but just use this first link, the repository of this cool guys, which I find it very interesting. You can see PHP Desktop UI framework with HTML5 Chrome and Internet Explorer engine. So this is the repository. You will see many releases and the documentation is also clear and simple to use. I really like this because you can go through the introduction. This is not really a more native desktop application like Electronics trying to do, but this guy was smart enough and he tried to just package all the web technology into a container. I will just see something like a container who can hold your application, and that container can just behave like a desktop application, like a native desktop application. So he is embedding um, the Chrome and Internet Explorer browser to it, and just help you think of developing your application without thinking of or without worrying on how to packaging and install it. So I will even show you how you can package it as an installable and have the executable file. So let's go ahead. Here, when you are here, there are many possibilities. You can clone any of these, like this one, but the easiest way is just to go to this documentation in solution, sponsor, funding, and many other, and click on this download link. Then on the download page, you can see PHP Desktop Chrome. This one is a Chrome browser, which is my favorite. I will just go to it, and from there you can see that they are saying the stable release is Chrome 57 with PHP 7.1 for Windows 7 or later. So I like this release, and we are going to try to use it to set up our application. We click to the release link, and here we can download the zip by just clicking here, but I'm not going to do it because I already downloaded it. But just click on it and you have the zip code, as you can see here. After you download it, we can unzip it by double clicking and extract it to our desktop. Then that's going to take some few minutes or some few seconds to extract our zip file to our desktop. Then it's done. We can directly go to our desktop. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the folder. We double click on it. This is the package. Here in this www directory is our web application. It can take a web application building with PHP, with JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So it's very simple. You can integrate many web frameworks like Laravel. I will do another video to show you how you can integrate the latest version of Laravel with this package, or you can use Angular and other front-end frameworks to build your web application in a very few amount of time. So we go back. This is how we can run our application. We just double click on this executable Chrome, PHP desktop Chrome, and boom, the application is on. You can go to many pages. You can go back to our index page. You can do many things with this, and it's very cool. You see, this perfect.
My name is Brad Newberg.
Wow, I like
Today
it.
I want to be talking to you about HTML5 and giving you an
Okay,
introduction
let's end
to
our
interesting
application
aspects
and
of the new
see
standard.
how we
I'm
can
with Google's
edit
developer
it
programs, specifically a
and
group
create
called
our
Open Web
Hello World
Advocacy.
application in
Our group is
PHP.
focused on helping to do outreach.
So this application can be controlled from this file. Let's use any code editor, text editor to edit the application preference. So as you can see here, our main directory is www, and the index file can be of HTML or PHP. So let's create our first PHP file and see how it works. So let's delete everything here and just create a new file called index.php. We save it into our directory. Okay, PHP, sorry, and we just say show hello world, and that's it. Just save. When save, we can run, can execute our application. Wow, this is it. We have our Hello World application running, up and running. That's so simple. You can do everything. I integrate a Laravel application on it, and it was very cool. You can just copy and paste your working web application into this www directory, and everything is perfect, and you don't have to worry about anything, and that's cool. So let's just set some few things here. The fact that we can change our our application desktop app, and even make the console disable the console to show on start like this, and just re-execute our application, and we'll see. So you can see. Thanks guys, thank you for your time to watching this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you, bye bye.